Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will be installing a cargo cover for the Honda Fit. What's included with the cargo cover is the actual cargo cover. These ropes that are attached to the cargo cover and the two clips that you need to get this installed correctly. Alright guys, first thing what we need to do is on the cargo cover there's these little cutouts. What you want to do is you want to place this cutout into the actual knob that is right here. So you're going to place the cargo cover notches into this little bracket here that's sticking out here. Alright, we're going to go ahead and do that. So we're going to place this in here. So we're going to go ahead and place that in there, slide it in right there, and then you go ahead and you're going to push that in. Once you get in, it should look like this on both sides. After you get that in, alright, what you're going to do is you're going to grab one of these clips right here. You grab one of the clips and you're going to put this in, which is this end, into this one right here. Go ahead and put it in. Give it a little force. There you go. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Once you got these clips in right here, once you get these clips in, you're going to take this rope and you go ahead and latch it on there. Okay? And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. You grab one of these rope here. Okay, you can do exactly the same thing on this side. Okay, pretty simple. All set. Both of them are in. That side's in. This side's in. Okay, and your cargo should look like this when you're done. Alright, when you guys are done, it should look like this from the inside. Okay, it should be nice and flush. And then from the outside, it should look just like that. Clips are in correctly here. incorrectly there. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next adventure.